Hi, welcome to another 3D drawing lesson. Brian Ryder again. Hope you're getting used to me now. I'm getting used to doing them. This is the bird's eye. Now it's a sadly neglected art. It's really quite simple and it actually does give an amazingly good representation of even a complex room. Okay, whereas a 1 point or a 2 point gives you a view of some of the room but not the entire project. Obviously excellent for any interior presentation, but also superb for exterior. It's really a good all-rounder. So let's start as usual, but this time we're looking at what I call a convenient method, which you can draw literally direct from your plan, not even just copying from your plan, but literally using, say, tracing paper or just simply a relatively thin piece of paper, and you can then trace the outline and produce your bird's eye. So you start as usual with your scale plan. Now this particular plan has got a fair bit going, so what we do is we trim it down a bit. So we're now going to simplify the plan as much as we can, and this time we've reduced it to almost basic zero stuff. Okay, so what we do now, we try and decide where the best place to look at the room is, which gives us the best view of particularly the items that we want to see. So what we've done, as you can see with that little X on the middle of the peninsula, we've chosen the peninsula because that means it gives us a good view of the sink wall, which is obviously a major part of the kitchen. So the first thing we do is line up the vanishing point with the corners of the room. We're showing the one corner top right, but obviously you've got 4 corners, so we line up the vanishing point with each corner of the room, and then we project the corners of the room and you can start seeing the 3D effect. Okay, so vanishing point, draw the corner of the room. Now obviously we're starting from the worktop height, so that means that the worktop is in scale. So everything on the worktop is in scale. So everything below it or above it will be not quite scale, but there's not a great deal of difference. So we now project downwards to get the base carcass outline. We then project upwards to get the wall carcassing outline. Now we're looking at putting a few architectural details in. The individual units, base units and wall units. We've got the door showing, we've got the patio door showing, we've got another window showing. So the room very quickly, with some very simple drawings, is showing quite a bit of detail. And really all we need to do is add a bit more detail and the final rendering, and we get ourselves quite a nice presentation, very simply, very quickly, and that's really what we want to do sometimes. Now I've sold hundreds of kitchens and bathrooms using this precise technique, and I'm sure you'll be able to do so as well. Okay, good luck to you. Till the next time, see you soon.